this video, we're unboxing and replacing the sun visor for Honda Civic 2010. Sun visor. The following are the tools required for the sun visor. Small flathead screwdriver. Medium flathead screwdriver. Medium Phillips head screwdriver. Fold down the sun visor. Remove the visor clip from sun visor's one side. Use the small flathead screwdriver to remove the screw cover. Take off the screw cover. Use the medium flathead screwdriver. Remove the two mounting screws securing the sun visor. Take out the screws. Remove the screws along with the sun visor. Old versus new sun visor side-by-side comparison. Line up the mounting holes and position the new sun visor. Once the holes are aligned, use the included mounting screws and install them. Install the second mounting screw. Use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten down the mounting screws. Snug them down. Install the screw cover. Separate the cover. Line it up and snap the cover back. Line up the clip and snap the sun visor back in.